let's see what this does. And just like that, we're back with another video. You guys, today we're gonna review this box right here. It is going to be my new carbon fiber AMS shift knob. I've been wanting to get this for a long time and I haven't pulled the trigger on it, but we're gonna go ahead and take off the old stock one that we have for the Evo. Actually, it's not even the stock one, it's the upgraded one that they put. It's still a Mitsubishi part, but we're gonna go carbon fiber. So quick little review. Let's open this box. Let's see what's what. You guys, my name is Sensei Carls. Welcome back to another vlog. Let's get going. At the end of this video, if you caught value with this little review and you want to get one of these for your Evo 7, 8, or 9, I think this actually goes all the way to the Evo 4s even. I'll give you guys all the specs here in a second, but let's go and open the box. Let's get started. All right, let's go, guys. Now, I took the liberty of already kind of opening the box because I didn't want to have to struggle to show you guys my address and stuff like that, but let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Ooh, nicely packaged. See, this is why you guys need a wing, because it's like a table, right? Come on, come on. There we go. Let's just toss that over there. And then, ooh, there she is. Boom. Look at that. My new AMS carbon fiber shift knob. Dude, this thing weighs nothing. This thing is actually really cool. I forget the threading on it. Here, like right here on the video, I'll go ahead and throw those specs right now because I'm not sure off the top of my head, but we'll double check that. Let's go and open this up super quick and let's go put this in the Evo. Yeah. Oh, dude, that's nice. It's hard to see it. Let's go look at this in the sun. Ooh, look at that sparkle. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's really light. I like how big it is. It's perfect to grab and hold, you know, because as all you boys know, your knob is the thing that you grab the most, right? But this is nice, man. I really like this. I like it a lot. Man, that just, look at that carbon fiber. But you know what? It's time to go through this in the Evo. So let's go ahead and throw this in the Evo. Yeah, this is sick. Yeah. Okay, so we're going from this to this. That's gonna give it a little bit of length. I think that's gonna make it look really nice. This will be replaced here soon because this is getting worn out, but let's go ahead and quickly change this out and little B-roll for you guys in 3, 2, 1. Now, gentlemen, it's time to test to make sure that this is exactly what I want. So, you know, boom, just shifting from gear to gear. Yeah, that's actually really nice. And I don't really feel a difference with the weight. It actually, I mean, these are really easy to shift. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, I like that. I actually do like that. Now, because this is so nice and this isn't, this might have to be the thing that I replace next, but I actually really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive around with this bad boy for a little bit. Let's see how it does. This old one I'm definitely gonna keep. This is definitely weighted, so I can definitely feel the difference of the weight. I'm not sure if I like it. I have to drive it, so let's go on a little drive and we'll do that. All right, so as you can tell, I've kind of changed clothes, but that's because I'm on my way to work, and I thought that'd be the perfect time to go ahead and do the quick little review really quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of get my initial reactions to the shift knob. I kind of like it already. It's nice. It's different. But I mean, it's carbon fiber. It's super lightweight for sure. It's hard to like. I almost kind of miss the weight of the other one, but I like the way that this one feels. This one feels really good. Little shift. Yeah, it's super light, so it's like, it's weird. I'm so used to the heaviness of that other little shift knob, but like I said, we're gonna see, test it out. If all else fails, I sell it. Maybe you guys want to buy it, and then I go back to the other one. Well, I don't know. I like how light it feels. It doesn't feel like I'm like having to throw it. And I like that it's a little bit longer. That's actually a really good quality to have, is that it's longer. Oh yeah, that's something I'm definitely gonna have to get used to. But let's see how it feels on a downshift. So a little downshift. Yeah, I like the way that this feels. All right, so let's give it a little shift here. See how this feels. Oh yeah, that's really good. Oh, that don't feel bad at all. Some people said that you're not gonna like having the lighter shifter, that you're gonna want it heavier. It actually doesn't bother me. So let's give it a little downshift. Oh yeah, that feels good. Feels really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a nice strong pull here on the highway, and let's see how this feels. Actually kind of, you know, really going through the gears. So let's see what this does. So we're back. I'm pulling off the exit now. I'm gonna give you guys a downshift. I'm gonna let you know, how does it feel on the downshift? How does it feel on the upshift? And honestly, the lightweightness takes a bit of getting used to. So let's see what we got. Downshifting. 4, 3, 2. Actually, I really like that. That felt so good. Yeah. Stick it into neutral. Man, I don't know. You might have me sold. You might have me sold. So let me show you. This is the old one, right? It's weighted. This carbon fiber one, it's really well made. It's really light, and I actually kind of like that it's lighter. I don't feel like I'm like throwing the gear. It's just, I have to, I don't know, change my driving style. So let's see. Here we go again. My whole hand's on it like this, gripping and pulling. I actually really like it. It's really nice actually. Tunnel. Up feels really good. I'm gonna come to a stop right now. I'm pulling into work, so let's see. I'm in third, second. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. I really can't complain about it. Pulling in, shift to first. Yeah, just nice and chill. Yeah, man, I don't know. I definitely don't hate it. That's for sure. I definitely don't hate it, right? But I mean, look at this thing. It's perfect. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Reverse is a bit weird. I'm used to the weight, so I'm gonna have to, yeah, the weight, I'm used to it, so I can really like feel that it's in reverse. But first, second, third, fourth, amazing. Fifth, a bit weird. I'm used to the weight. And then reverse. I think just the shape of it is really what's gonna get me. But overall, I mean, I really like it. So I think I'm just gonna finish the video here since I'm at work. You guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you end up picking yourself one, I hope you enjoy it. Who doesn't love carbon fiber, right, boys? But at the same time, I don't know. It's gonna take a while to get used to. I think I'm just gonna keep it. I mean, I really do like it. I've wanted one for such a long time. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys next week. Do me a favor, hit a like on that button down below. And of course, right here, hit that subscribe button, boys, because there's more content to come, especially when winter season comes. You know we're doing donuts and you know we're going snowboarding. But I made some really big purchases this year, so money's kind of tight, so I don't know how often we're gonna go snowboarding, but we're definitely gonna go, you know, vlog trips with the Evo 9, heading up to Monarch Pass to go snowboarding, epic stuff. So thank you guys so much. Please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, but more than anything, interact with me. Hit those comments down below, you guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like the carbon fiber shift knob? Do you not like it? If you have one, let me know, do you like it? You know, do you end up going back to the weighted? I don't know. So let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, boys.